Saffron ricotta cream pasta. I'm draining off some fresh ricotta cheese. I prefer sheep's milk ricotta. So we have a pairing of grated pecorino romano, which is sheep's milk cheese, so tangy and salty. You can make the same thing with, of course, cow's milk ricotta, which all of us can get. So cow's milk ricotta, parmigiano. Sheep's milk ricotta, go with the pecorino. This is basically vegetable stock tea. We bloomed the saffron in our vegetable stock, and you get that fantastic aroma, and it's like making saffron tea. The tea is gonna get a whole lot better fast because we're going to add the zest of a lemon and some orange to the same pan. Drop that garlic in, couple of cloves, swirl, and a little salt. This is gnocchetti sardi or malaredos. It's little teeny tiny gnocchi-shaped pastas. Of course, you can use any shortcut pasta for this. And this one has saffron in the pasta itself, too. So we're going to heavily season this water. You should be able to taste it with a spoon and actually enjoy the flavor of it. And we're going to get the pasta going because it takes about 10 minutes. So we have our pasta cooking away. Over here, we have it's kind of like a tea. We have our vegetable stock steeping with our saffron. My family likes things a little spicy, so I add to this a little bit of red flake, or I use both, doesn't matter, you throw them both in. Or this is ground red pepper, a little bit of red pepper. My family likes a little heat, especially when something is really creamy, and the ricotta itself can be very sweet. So that's our perfect mix, but you don't have to add the red pepper. I love that when people come to me, like in a grocery store at the green market or something, and they're like, can I add this or can I substitute that? And I'm like, babe, I can't see you. Like, when you cook, no, like seriously, like in a serious point, when you cook anybody's food, mine or anybody else's, it's your food. You're the boss of that. You could do anything you want, right? It becomes yours the second you heat the pan. That's my opinion on that. So we're adding about a cup, a copious amount of cheese to the ricotta cheese. So we're adding the salt in the sauce is coming from either the pecorino or the parm. And you let it go until it gets nice and aerated, almost fluffy. The magic of marrying any pasta to any sauce is that salty, starchy liquid. We dump everybody back into the hot tub. We bring the hot tub to the creamy, delicious nirvana, really, of this sauce. Try and get that so you guys can see a little bit better there. Okay, and I took the blade out, and we're just gonna pour that ricotta cream with saffron and all of the zest and the pecorino down over everybody. And we're going to add that magic salty liquid to marry everybody. And may they all fall in love and live together forever in beautiful magic happiness. Now, you stir this for a good minute or two and let it kind of, you know, mellow out and hang out, have a nice date. We're gonna put him off to the side for a sec and talk topping. So I'm going to stir into the ricotta sauce a little bit of fresh thyme. So then here goes the nuts and the chives and edible flowers all the way around.